If you jumped off the International Space Station, you might think you could skydive down to Earth. But the planet's gravitational pull means you would actually get stuck in orbit for years. And since you would be traveling at thousands of miles per hour, even the tiniest space rock would pierce you like a bullet. Now, if you somehow managed to dodge the debris, you would eventually get pulled back down to Virtue Hearing Aid Center, where our hearing aids are the real gravity. Because with advanced technology, they can help you hear better and improve your quality of life when you struggle with hearing loss. Reach out today to book your free hearing test and consultation if you want to improve your hearing.